strangest thing. It's shorter than you think. No think.
What's going on, guys? Just got to Winnipeg, doing a quick one-day job here tomorrow at the Amazon facility. But just want to show you guys my rental car. They gave me a Volvo XC60. It's actually a pretty SUV. Zoom out. But yeah, it's pretty good. Volvo is actually always does pretty good with their vehicles. Always super clean, plush, and drive really good. This thing's pretty sweet. It has all the bells and whistles to it. But yeah, I like it. So I figured I'll show you guys what I got, since I haven't done a video in a while because I've been doing some travel for work here recently. So yeah, check it out. Volvo XC60. Nice little SUV. I like the color. It's like a bluish, like a purple kind of color, I would say, like a bluish purple. So it's pretty good. But yeah, I like it. Sweet car. So yeah, I'm just, like I said, doing a lot of travel, but I do have some things I'll show you guys when I get back into town of another mod that I'll be doing to the car. Company sent me some stuff, so I want to show you guys what it is, because I think it's actually a pretty cool product. So I'll get back with you guys and show you that. All right, take care. Hey, what's going on, guys? So just getting the car washed up, as you can see from my last video edit, and doing some traveling. So the car's been a little dusty. Hasn't been any rain, but there's a ton of smoke, ton of fires going on around here. So a lot of ash all over the car. But as I said, I have a little update and a little mod that's going to be going on in the car here very soon. If you want to check it out, here. So just pick up the package, and it is Light Harmonics. Thank you to Light Harmonics for sending me out these. Check it out. This is what will be going on the car here shortly. So if you can see, carbon fiber speakers. So this is a sub for the premium audio, but obviously I don't have the sub because I got the SR Plus. But it comes with all the replacement speakers except for the tweeters and the A-pillars and the doors. But look, there's your front speakers in the front of the dash. But yeah, these things are direct plug and play. So they're already set up to fit perfectly with the Tesla Model 3. But yeah, carbon fiber. Look at those bad boys. The sound, I think, is going to be amazingly improved. But yeah, so they hooked it up. But there's your front speakers, and these are the front door speakers, door woofers. There they are. Same thing, direct plug and play. For the Tesla Model 3, they also have these for the Model X and the Model S. So there you go. Simple installation, replacement of the good Tesla speakers, but these will make it even better for sure. But yeah, there they are. Light Harmonics. Thank you very much for setting me up. I will get these installed as soon as I can, and I will post a link in the description below if you want to buy yourself a set. I mean, they're not the cheapest, but I mean, you get what you pay for, right? So I think I'll get these installed. I'll give a review of what I think of them, but everything I heard about them so far has been nothing but great. The sound quality is way better than stock, and obviously, you know, these are high quality speakers, carbon fiber, and yeah, direct plug and play. So this installation is super easy. I have the speakers for the rear deck as well. I might be installing those on my car, SR Plus, but I might be pulling that deck out and installing the 2 speakers in the back, the rear deck. But I'll get you guys that with the installation video, and I'll show you guys basically a step-by-step tutorial of the install of these. So yeah, there it is, guys. So that will be my next mod, the Light Harmonic speaker system. So yeah, thanks again, and check out the link in the description below if you want to order yourself a set. Like I said, they have them for the Model X, the Model Y, the Model S, and Model 3. And you can also own, I think you can, instead of getting all the speaker replacements, you can just get the front woofers, I think, and the front 4 speakers up front here in the front deck. But yeah, so I'll get those installed and you guys can check it out. Thanks again. Like I said, we're gonna do some more things. I think we're gonna start changing up the channel a little bit. Obviously still doing the Tesla stuff, but we are going to add some more travel, lifestyle travel, families travel stuff, because we're going to start getting into that real soon. I'm starting to do more travel for work, so show you guys that. And yeah, we got big things coming, so stay with us. All right, take care, guys. Bye. What's going on, guys? Just at home, got a little bit of time, so I'm actually going to paint my calipers. I had the paint for a little while. What it is, so some auto dip, Miami teal. I'm going with Miami teal, as Sophia, my oldest daughter's favorite color is teal, so that's the color we're going with. But here's what I got. Zoom out. So I got the disc and everything bagged off, and then I've just put tape over the areas that I don't want to get paint. So I'm gonna paint the whole caliper teal, and then I got some white lettering, Tesla lettering, to put back on the brake caliper once I'm done painting. But yeah, going with teal, auto dip, Miami teal is what we're gonna go with color wise. And if you see, I got my cutters out because I actually did cut down my wheel studs a little bit so I could put the wheel spacers on. So I have my 18 millimeters for the front and my 20 millimeters for the rear, so I'll get those on. But I just had to cut down the lug bolts just a little bit, just because they were sticking out past the wheel spacer a little bit, and it hit in the back of the rim, because as you can see, the rims don't have any kind of cutout for extra lug bolt length. So to get those to actually fit up a little better and get the fitment in a little better, as you can see, they're kind of sucked in. So 20 rears will go 20 millimeter out, the fronts will be 18 millimeter. So I cut the fronts already, got those wheel spacers on, and now I'm just gonna do the caliper paint. So I'll show you guys that. I'm gonna get the first coat on, and then I'll show you what it's like after that. All right, first coat on. This stuff sprays really well. It's actually way better than any kind of a plastic dip or anything like that. This is more like a actual paint. The way it sprays on is pretty good. First coat is pretty great coverage actually on it. So, and I didn't go that thick on it either, just because I didn't want any runs or anything. But yeah, first coat, that's what it looks like. Looks pretty good, I think. Yeah, and it's peelable paint, so even if you get some overspray on your car or anything like that, you see I got blankets and whatever kind of crap I put on there just to cover up the car. But even if you get it on, it'll actually easily come off because this is peelable paint. But yeah, first coat looks good. Let me know what you think. Alright guys, so there we are. I did about 7-8 coats. Like I said, it's like perfect paint. And when it sprays on, you see it's still glossy, even though it's peelable. And yeah, I think it turned out amazing. This stuff, Auto Dip Official, go to their webpage, order whatever colors they have. But yeah, this is high quality peelable paint. So this stuff turned out amazing. It looks great. So I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit, and then I'll put my Tesla logo onto the caliper. But yeah, looks amazing, and it's gonna look pretty sick because you'll be able to see it quite easily through the rims. Obviously there's only 5 spokes on the rims, so yeah, it'll definitely stand out. And yeah, the teal looks great. Great pick by my daughter Sophia for the color. And yeah, so I think it's gonna hold up well. It seems pretty good. This stuff is made for rims and calipers, so not worried about the heat. And obviously with Tesla, you don't ever use your brakes hardly much anyway, so it's not gonna get hot. But it's rated for up to 160 C, I believe it is, so plenty fine for brake caliper paint. But yeah, it looks good, so I'll start doing the rest. I won't show you guys that, but then I'll show you guys what it looks like once everything's back together. As you can see, my spacers are on now, so we'll see what that looks like as far as fitment wise until I can figure out a different set of rims, because I want to do something custom, but just not sure yet what I want to do. So yeah, there it is, guys. Alright, so calipers on the driver's side are complete. There's my rears. And the front, I still have to put the Tesla stickers on, but I'm gonna let them dry overnight, and I'll just put the stickers on tomorrow because I can fit it in there between the spokes of the rim and get the stickers on. But the fitment is much better. So there we go, 18mm in the front. Fitment looks perfect. The rear could actually come out a little bit in the rear. So those are 20mm in the rear. But you can see, let me drop the car, see how it fits. Back it up, back it up. Pussy good, gon' back it up. But there we are. Much better fitment in there. I'm still good. Whoop. Rear fits perfect. So yeah, there she is. Calipers painted, rims and spacers on passenger side. Still gotta do the driver's side, but as you can see, it looks good. Definitely sets off the car a little different. And yeah, I like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thanks.